Hello and welcome to my little nerdy wonderland. My name is Seth David. I'm the president of Nerd Enterprises Incorporated, and I'm bringing you this special public service webcast announcement to let you know, remind you that the month of June has almost come to a close, and that means a few things. It means, number one, that if you have a business that sells products, it's time to take inventory. If you haven't done so already, I would recommend it. And there's good news. If you need help with this, we can help you. You can hire us directly, of course, but there's also free webcasts that we've offered. They're on YouTube. They're also in our main blog on our main website. And you can visit there and watch our Tax Day webcast, which specifically goes over how to use an Excel template that I've created in order to take your inventory and then update QuickBooks with it quickly and easily. It can be cumbersome to do the update directly in QuickBooks initially because QuickBooks, when you're doing a value adjustment, only allows you to put in the aggregate total cost. With the inventory template I've created, it lets you put in your quantity counts, your unit costs, and it'll calculate that aggregate total for you. So it's real important to do that because you want to save time as much as possible. And then, if you have a business that sells services and or products, what you'll want to do is you will want to take inventory in terms of just your financial matters. So there's two kinds of inventories to be taken if you have a product-based business. If you have a service-based business, there's just the one. You want to take inventory of your finances. And what do I mean by that? It means it's time to take a look at what you set up at the beginning of the year, assuming you set something up, in terms of how you expected to perform. What did you expect your revenues to be? What did you expect your expenses to be? In other words, we're comparing your budget with the actual performance of your company. This is something else I've done and done many webcasts on. So you can visit our blog at nerdenterprises.com/blog. and go to the webcasts, and you'll see there's a series of them, and I'm periodically putting more up. We've got a lot in the archives that I haven't had a chance to put up yet, so little by little I'm trying to populate our archive with these little webcasts because I think you'll find them very helpful. And if you find our Tax Day webcast on YouTube, and it's called Tax Day because it was recorded on Tax Day, April 15th. So go to the YouTube channel, youtube.com/nerdenterprises, and there you'll find a bunch of webcasts, including the Tax Day one. That's the one that deals with inventory. And you know, a lot of people will ask me, well, Seth, how do I do this? And this is where I get to do my David Caruso impression. And it goes a little something like this. That is a very good question. And then of course the music comes in, but not in this one. So visit us on the web, and we have our new QuickBooks blog. Let me show you that. I'm going to take you there. Okay, we're going to zoom in here on the screen behind me. I'm going to show you how to get to our QuickBooks blog. Okay? Okay? Pay attention. Let me back up for you a little bit. What we're going to do is, while you're in my website, over here on the left, you're going to see Blog Forum. And you click on that, and of course you're going to see a link that takes you directly into the main blog. This is the easiest way I can show you for the purposes of a quick webcast. Over here, all the way to the right, you'll see in our sites where it says QuickBooks Blog. Let me make sure you can see this properly. QuickBooks Blog. Click on that, and you'll be there. Right now, you'll see at the very top is an article I've written. You can also access this, by the way, by going to www.theqbw.com. Go to our QuickBooks blog. You'll see now there's an article I've written about how remote bookkeeping services works. But you can also go in there and post your questions about QuickBooks. How do I do this? How do I do that? I get questions almost every day about stuff in QuickBooks because people rely on me for that sort of thing for some reason. And you can go in there and post your questions. I'll post the answers. There's even a category in there called, Ask Us, and that's where you'll find questions that other people have answered that I've posted up there. Most of them manually so far because people seem to have trouble figuring out how to go to the blog and post questions. But it's really not hard. You find the comment, you go to the Ask Us, and you click where it says no comments, or it'll show you one comment or two comments. You click there, and then you'll be able to post a comment, and you can post your comment in the form of a question, and I'll answer it for you. And the other thing you're going to need to do is sign up for your free account with WordPress when you do that, because it's a requirement. So you have to sign up. It's free. It takes 2 seconds. You come up with a username, you give them your email and a password, and you're done. I swear it's that simple. I hope you all have a terrific week, and I hope you all have a terrific year. And take your financial inventory, take your products inventory, and then get in touch with us. Let us know how you're doing. Let us know what your questions are, and I'm more than happy to help. Have a great day.